Alright. Yes, that's it. Now I remember. Hello, this is Toaster and I am back on video. I know you guys miss me. Please leave a like on this video if you miss me. Well, here's the game we're playing today. Mario and Luigi Bowser's Story. It's a game where Mario and Luigi are stuck in Bowser's body, but they come out like at the very ending. And you have to open this safe. 9898 doop-de-doo. 88241 Bowser. Ooh. 983 whoop-de-doo. Whoop-de-doo. Yeah. Found the second star cure. Yeah. Oh, can you feel that? Second is mine. King Bowser, there's something else inside that safe. What? Huh? Where? 1, 2, 3. You just locked your king in your master in a safe. Oh, hey minions, what are you doing? Let me out of here! Open this door! Age of Bowser is over! The totality of the Age of Fawful, definitely. Lord Fawful will reward us, well, for his noble act, man. Can you say extra reactions? Victory! Stupid minions! You idiots fell under Fawful's control at some point, huh? This is Monty! Yeah, I guess. So I ought to toss this thing somewhere, right? But where? Where? Ah, there perhaps. Oh! Hey, you lousy minions, where are you taking me? You terminators, let me out! Oh! Hey! Someone answer me! Sounds like they tossed the safe somewhere. Oh, what is she saying? What is she saying? Hey, Chippy. Make me giant again, then I'll bust out of here. Unless you get in mortal danger, I can't do it. For now, you just need to sit still and act like an adult. Crud. Anyway, what about that star cure? Did you get it? Oh, this stupid thing is the reason I'm in this fix. Look, Bowser swallowed something. Let's go down to the gut check. Oh no. Hey, look! Isn't that the star cure? You got the second star cure! Yay! It's a little sticky and gross from Bowser eating it. Wash it really well later. I feel bad for Bowser, but we should head back outside. We can't do anything in here. One more star cure left. Maybe Dr. Toadley knows where the third stage is. Let's get back to Toad Town. Bowser's stuck in there. So, if you want to know how to get to Toad Town, you have to, Bowser has to be, sleeping, and then the red pipe breaks, and then it gets out of the way. And then you have to, make it the way to clear the purple pipe to get the yellow pipe. To help you get the yellow pipe, you need to fight Bowser, and then you just mash this thing like this. and then there's a pipe. So let's go to Dr. Toadley's office. Hold on. Good luck, Mario Brothers. What? I think you're Dr. Toadley. It's emerging. Well, it will emerge probably. Is this good timing? It is. For you seek wisdom about this for the 3 stages, and I have it. Ocean, sandy beach, cliff. It's one of the 3 sages in this century. Indeed he is. The ocean. Black Beach! Yes indeed, near the ocean, but in a very high place. Does the sage dwell on high where the air is thin? He does. I am sure we'll deal with it. Let's get a move on, guys. Ahem. What was I talking? I was now. As the doctor, I can't recommend the thin air travel. Oh yeah, right, you're Dr. Toadley. Now I can permit thin air travel provided you pass a brief examination. This way. Does this machine measure inhalation and exhalation levels? There can be no doubt it does. Now then, Mario, step over here. Okay, inhale gently. Are you ready? Okay, exhale. Oh, wait, hold on. Yes, okay. Yes, okay. Do you have incredible lung control? You certainly do. You should have no trouble staying alert at high altitudes. Now then, Luigi is next. Step over here, please. Okay, inhale gently. Okay, exhale. Oh, there we go. Dr. Code Red, the air vents are going haywire. Huh? My breath inspectors adjust pipe funnels into the ventilation system. The machine's manipulation blew out the whole air grid. Anyway, will Luigi have any high altitude problems? No. If anything, his acceleration power is way too strong. Would you 2 head for Black Beach? You should. And should I fix this infernal machine? I probably should. Oh! Bradley, calm yourself. Come down from there. It's just air. You don't need it to get so worked up about it. Five. Birdie fed up. Birdie go home. Birdie on strike. Birdie overworked. Oh, Mario and Luigi, can you catch Birdie? He locked the exit door and took the key. Now I can't go out and find the vent replacement. Help you two capture Birdie. Okay. I caught Birdie! I gotta turn the volume down because this is way too loud! You caught Birdie! Mr. Mario, Mr. Luigi, thank you so much! Your balloon condition is fascinating. No doubt I will help you reach the great heights. If you find any air vents in your travels, I recommend using them to balloon up. Back beach, Bubble Lake, 555. Birdie, you little scamp, what now? Come over here, you. Overall, it's warm. Birdie, comfy. Birdie, nesting. Looks like you have a tenant, but he can help. Birdie, wait, okay? Birdie got it. Birdie guides. Sorry, Mr. Mario. Take care of our birdie, okay? Yeah. What is this guy doing? It's like, So, what was it supposed to do? I wasn't even listening. Okay, maybe I should go on this pipe thingy. And tell Bowser? Oh wait, Bowser's still locked in that safe. There's no way I can do it! Hold on, he said something about Black Beach. Alright guys, bye. In the next episode, we'll check all my special attacks. Bye! See you in the next episode. Peace out.